Hello, hello, hello. You are listening to the Cody English, the podcast that helps you speak better English every single week.
And I'm Cody, your learning buddy. If you are driving right now, perfect, because today's episode is literally made for you.
That's right. Today we're talking about something so many learners ask us about. How do you learn English when you have no time?
No time, that's me. I wake up, I work, I eat, I sleep. Where is the time to study English? It's a massive headache.
And that's exactly why we made this episode. Because your car, yes, your car, is actually a secret classroom.
Wait, my car is a classroom? Cleo, are you serious right now?
100% serious. And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to turn every drive into an English lesson.
Okay, I am already excited. Let's go.
But first, Cody, tell the people what they need to do.
Yes, if you want better English every week, subscribe to the Cody English right now. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button too. It helps us so much and it helps you remember to come back for more. Okay, Cleo, teach me.
All right, let's start with the big problem first. Why do so many learners feel like they cannot improve their English?
I think because they think they need to sit at a desk with a book and a pen and total silence.
Exactly. Most people think learning English needs a classroom, but that idea is stopping them because real life is busy. You have jobs, families, responsibilities.
Responsibilities, that's a big word. What does it mean?
Good question. Responsibilities means the things you have to do, like going to work, taking care of your family, paying your bills.
Oh, yes, I have many responsibilities. Too many.
So the solution is simple. We don't wait for free time. We use the time we already have. And for most people, driving time is completely wasted.
Wasted, like we do nothing useful with it?
Exactly. You drive maybe 20, 30, even 60 minutes every day. That is free learning time, and most people just listen to music or sit in silence.
Okay, but Cleo, I can't read a book while driving. That's dangerous.
Please don't do that. No reading while driving. But your ears are free, your mouth is free, your brain is free.
Oh, so I can listen and speak. I just can't look at things.
Perfect, you got it. So tip number 1, and this is a big one, listen to English every single drive.
Okay, but what do I listen to?
Great question. You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can listen to audiobooks. Those are books that someone reads out loud for you.
Audiobooks, books that talk. I like that.
You can also listen to English radio, English YouTube videos, just the audio, or even English music where you focus on the words.
Wait, music counts?
It counts if you listen carefully. Don't just enjoy the beat. Listen to the words. Ask yourself, what is this song saying? What words do I hear?
Oh, so I need to be an active listener, not just background music.
Cody, that is the key word, active. Say it again.
Active listener.
An active listener means you are paying attention, you are thinking, you are engaged, which means your brain is working, not sleeping.
My brain is definitely sleeping when I drive at 7 a.m.
That's why we need strategies, and that means plans and methods to keep your brain awake and learning.
Okay, so tip 1 is listen to English content every drive. What is tip 2?
Tip 2 is repeat out loud.
Repeat out loud? Like talk to myself in the car?
Yes, and this is where many students struggle. They listen, but they never speak. They hear, "How are you doing?" and they think it, but they never say it.
Because it feels embarrassing?
Exactly. But in the car, you are alone. Nobody is watching you, nobody is judging you, and that means nobody is deciding if you are good or bad.
The car is a safe place, no judgment.
No judgment at all. So when you hear a phrase in a podcast, pause it. Say the phrase out loud. Say it 3 times.
Okay, let me try. I heard you say active listener, so I pause and say active listener, active listener, active listener.
Perfect. And now that phrase is going into your memory, into your brain storage.
Brain storage, I love that. Like my brain has a little filing cabinet.
Exactly like that. And repetition, saying things again and again, that is how the cabinet gets full.
Okay, so we have tip 1, listen to English. Tip 2, repeat out loud. I'm learning cheat codes today.
Cheat codes. Yes, Cody, these are your English cheat codes.
Cleo, wait, before tip 3, I want to ask the listeners something. Everybody, pause this podcast for just 5 seconds. Think about this question. How many minutes do you drive every day? Pause and type your answer in the comments right now. We want to know. Okay, and we're back. Let's keep going.
I love that. Okay, tip 3. And Cody, this is a secret tip that most learners don't know about.
Ooh, secret tip. I'm listening very carefully.
Talk to your car. Give your car instructions in English.
What? Talk to my car?
When you turn left, say out loud, I'm turning left. When you stop, say, I'm stopping at a red light. When someone drives badly, say, in English, that was dangerous.
Oh, I have many things to say about drivers in any language.
But now say it in English. This is called narrating. Narrating, and it means describing what is happening around you out loud as it happens.
So I become like a sports commentator, but for my own drive.
Yes, exactly like that. And Cody is now entering the highway. He is checking his mirror. He is accelerating. That means going faster.
That is actually really fun. I never thought of that.
And the beautiful thing is, you are using real vocabulary, real words for real situations, not just textbook words.
Real world English. That's what this show is all about, right?
That's everything. Because what is the point of learning the cat sat on the mat if you are never going to say that in real life?
I have never once needed to say that, not even one time.
So we practice real things, driving vocabulary, daily life vocabulary, things you will actually use.
Okay, so we have 3 tips now. Listen to English, repeat out loud, narrate your drive. Are there more?
2 more great ones. Tip 4, use English apps with audio. Many students struggle here because they choose apps that need you to read and touch the screen.
Which is dangerous while driving. We said that already.
Right, but some apps are audio-based. That means they work with only sound. Some language apps have a driving mode or a listening mode. Use those. Or even better, save new vocabulary on your phone and have your phone read it to you.
Oh, like text-to-speech, where the phone talks?
Exactly. Write 10 new English words in your Notes app before you drive. Then let the phone read them to you on the way. Simple, safe, and effective, which means it works well.
That is so smart. I can make my own little lesson, my personal English radio station.
I like that. Your personal English radio station. And tip 5, the final tip, is probably the most powerful one.
Okay, I'm ready. Tell me.
Have English conversations with yourself. Full conversations, in your head or out loud.
Wait, like pretend conversations?
Yes. Imagine you are at a job interview. Practice what you will say. Imagine you are at a coffee shop. Order your coffee in English, out loud. Imagine you are meeting someone new. Introduce yourself, in English, right there in your car.
So my car becomes a rehearsal studio, like actors practice before a show.
Exactly that. Actors rehearse. That means they practice many times before the real performance. And speaking English in real life is your performance. Your car is where you practice.
This is changing the way I think about driving. Seriously.
Many students wait. They say, I will speak English when my English is perfect, but perfect never comes without practice.
You practice to get better. You don't wait to be perfect before you practice.
Say that again, Cody. That was important.
You practice to get better. You don't wait to be perfect before you practice.
That is the biggest mindset shift in language learning. Mindset means how you think, your mental attitude.
So I need a good mindset and I need to use my drive time. Got it.
And here is something that will make you feel good. Research shows that even 15 to 20 minutes of English listening every day creates big improvements in just a few weeks. A few weeks!
Weeks, not years?
Consistent short practice. Doing a little bit every day is more powerful than studying for 5 hours one time and then stopping.
Oh, like exercise. Going to the gym for 20 minutes every day is better than going for 5 hours once a month.
Perfect comparison. Your English is a muscle. You need to train it regularly. That means on a schedule, not just sometimes.
Okay, I feel motivated. That means I feel energy and desire to do something, right?
Look at you, using vocabulary and defining it. You're already doing it.
I learned from the best. Okay, Cleo, many learners are probably thinking right now, but what if I don't understand everything I hear?
Oh, this is so important. You do not need to understand 100%. This is a mistake many beginners make. They hear one word they don't know and they panic.
Panic means you feel sudden fear and stress, right?
Exactly. Don't panic. Understanding 60 or 70% is completely fine, especially at the beginning. Your brain fills in the gaps. It guesses the meaning from the context. Context means the information around the word that helps you understand it.
Like if I hear she was so hungry she ate the whole and I don't know the last word, I still know she ate a lot of something.
Perfect example. Your brain is smarter than you think. Trust it.
Trust the process. Trust the brain.
And every week you will understand more because you are building what we call input. Input means all the English you hear and read. The more input you get, the stronger your English becomes.
Input, like feeding the brain, feeding it English.
Feed the brain English every drive. That is your homework starting today.
I love it. Okay, I think it's time for the recap. Let's do it fast, like a speed round.
Let's go. Tip 1.
Listen to English every drive. Podcasts, audiobooks, radio.
Tip 2.
Repeat phrases out loud 3 times. No shame, you're alone in the car.
Tip 3.
Narrate your drive. Describe what you see and do in English.
Tip 4.
Use audio-based apps or have your phone read vocabulary to you.
Tip 5.
Have pretend conversations. Practice for real life. Rehearse like an actor.
And the big mindset rule.
Don't wait to be perfect. Practice to get better every single drive.
Beautiful. Cody, you just summarized, which means gave a short version of, this whole episode perfectly.
Thank you, teacher. I did my best.
And listeners, you just spent 15 minutes learning English, while maybe sitting in traffic, while driving to work, while doing something you do anyway.
You just turned dead time into gold time. That's what we do here at the Cody English.
And now, the final question for the comments. And we really want to see your answers this week.
Yes, here it is. After today's episode, which one tip are you going to try on your very next drive? Just one. Pick one and type it below.
Is it tip 1, tip 2, narrating, pretend conversations? Tell us.
And if you are feeling brave, write a full sentence in English in the comments. Something like, I will listen to English podcasts on my way to work tomorrow.
We will read your comments. We love seeing your progress.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. One friend, that's all. Help them discover their car classroom too.
Subscribe to the Cody English so you never miss an episode. We are here every week with real English, real conversations, and real strategies for real life.
Real English for real life. That is our promise to you.
Thank you so much for being here today. We are proud of you for learning.
Keep driving, keep learning, and keep going. Your English is getting better every single day.
This is Cleo
And I'm Cody.
from the Cody English. See you next week.